The Dracal Technologies data acquisition system includes reliable and precise measurement devices, as well as software tools such as DracalView. If you wish, start by customizing the aliases of the channels to be logged in the Sources tab and their units in the Configuration tab. In the Logging tab, you can simply click on the Select All button to log all channels in the Sources inset. Otherwise, choose the ones you are interested in. Then, knowing that the default format of the file that will be generated is a .csv, you can adjust some parameters in the Output Configuration inset. For example, how the columns will be separated and how the time will be displayed. You can also decide to log a multiple of the sampling interval, which can be adjusted in the Configuration tab. For example, you can sample the measurement every second, but only want to see the data every 5 seconds. The choice of the location and name of the file is made in the Output File inset. The .csv format appears by default, but if a text format is preferred, you can change it manually without any problem. The buttons under the Control inset are quite descriptive. It is suggested that you use View File at the beginning of the data acquisition to make sure that the channels, units, and settings you want are correct. When you receive your Dracal measuring instruments, you can always use the default settings and IDs. In this case, you plug in your instruments, click the Logging tab, then the Select All button, accept the default location to save the file, and click Start. Obtaining your data can start within seconds. Either way, whether you customize the Logging tab or not, plug in and record data in less than 3 minutes. That is what you will be able to do with Dracal Technologies instruments and tools. See you soon!